into the live stream. And yes, before you tune into the live stream, just remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. All right, so yeah, let's go over today what happened. Of course, what a beautiful day, man. I can't complain. It was a great day. I do want to tell the team members we're on live and pull up the other chat as well. So 1 second here as I pull this up. Yo, Pressure Washer, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. Thanks for pulling up to the live stream. All right, so yeah, pulling up the other chat really quickly. And then also this live stream here. Let's see. All right, cool. Yeah, we're on. So yeah, we'll go over today. Obviously the trades that ended up doing us very well. As you can see, WMT ended up doing amazingly. AEO did absolutely amazing too as well. So yes, what I'm seeing here, dang, yeah, we could eventually continue, but yeah, that's crazy. So yeah, all these trades here, we ended up getting in empty space that we had. As you can see, yes, you know, we had the empty space that we liked. We ended up getting this nice break body candle closure above this top wall, which led us into this empty space here. So yeah, what a beautiful day, beautiful trade. You can see also a few of the other members ended up getting in to these entries. As you can see, a few of those trades there. But yeah, I do want to go over pretty much everything what I'm looking at. QQQ, we had some trouble here. Looks like we eventually went up touch that first TP. And also that final as well. So yeah, that 574. So that's what I'm looking at there. If we can somehow get it. So yeah, same thing, empty space. That's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm looking for. So can I do what? Let's see. TA. All right, yeah, we'll take a look at POTR. Hold on 1 second here. So yeah, Amazon looks like that first TP ended up hitting there. Final, if we do get that, do want to see that 238. So gave another great entry on that. Empty spaces there. All right, so let's see. I'm gonna pull up Tesla. I'm gonna pull up POTR as well. And yeah, let's go over it. And personally, and what, Marvel too? Yeah, so I think a lot of people were talking about Marvel today. So yeah, we'll take a look. No one that's sweet that, oh well. Alright, so as of right now, for me at least, we'll go ahead and break it down. So yes, delete it. Alright, cool. So yes, I'm looking for the same plate pretty much each and every day. So yeah, pretty much just starting this live stream. So honestly, I did want this. I still do want it. We do have this clear move down, no consolidation. This is exactly what I would like to this upside here. We have a nice top wall there, nice bottom wall here. And what I'm seeing is, yeah, if we end up getting a break outside of this 163 area, I'm personally still waiting on this. I've been waiting for the last couple of days. And yeah, I definitely still will wait on it. Alright, so yeah, it looks really good. So right now, yeah, just going to wait. I don't think we'll get this today, but if we do, that's what I'm seeing, which looks really good. So yeah, Power Hour is in the next 30 minutes. So yeah, we do see some decent moves at the end of the day too as well. Alright, so POTR, we did that. We got to go over Marvel too. Hold on. Let's see. So I think I did this on a 4-hour, if I'm not mistaken. All right, so yeah, I definitely will write this down. What I'm seeing here, let's see. Yeah, that looks really good. Yeah, Marvel doesn't look bad. End of day. So there are a few that doesn't look too bad. Also, Marvel. Okay. Yo, Sky Guy, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. So, yeah, I think, yeah, Gap did look pretty good from the last time I seen it. So, end of day, we'll have to see how that plays out, too. So, yeah, as of right now, so hold on 1 second here. I'll go ahead and break it down once again. We do have empty space that is above us. That doesn't look bad at all. As you can see, yes, clear gap down, no consolidation. This is exactly what I would want to the upside. We do have this nice POTTERBOX that needs to be broken in order for us to go into this upside here. So yeah, I did this on a 4-hour. If I wanted to take it on a 2-hour, I still could. Just a little bit above, but yeah, I do like that 4-hour. Do want to see end of day if we can potentially go into this empty space and go up and tap. So yeah, it looks really good. That's what I'm seeing there, which doesn't look too bad. All right, so that is on Marvel. Yeah, we'll keep an eye on that. Maybe, just maybe, I'll keep a let's see, a little alert there. All right, so Tesla. So there was a move this morning that I was waiting for. Honestly, it gave me another entry on it, but I didn't see it in time. But let's go ahead and break this down. What I'm looking for now. So yeah, we had that little clear gap down, nothing too wild. But yeah, what I can see is this. So let's see. So I think I did like this 1 hour as well. So yeah, each trade in my Discord, exactly the same. We don't change anything at all. Personally, I like this downside. Hold on, I don't know why I have 2 alerts on there, but should only be 1. But yeah, you know, I'm waiting for this. As you can see, yeah, we do have the empty space. So yeah, clear move up, no consolidation. This is what I would want to this downside here. What I can see is we have a box. Obviously, can make a nice little decent box there. Had an earlier box like that. So that's what I'm seeing. Under us, what looks decent is this empty space here. So this is something that I would want if we can potentially get it. Hopefully, maybe by tomorrow, if we end up gapping down, that would be great. So yeah, each play, it's going to be exactly the same. So yes, empty space. All I'm waiting for is a nice breakdown below this wall here. So yeah, we do have that nice POTTERBOX. So this is where these candles are having a hard time getting under. So yeah, it looks good. I get it, yes. Where are we at now? Inside of more consolidation. So I don't want to do anything here yet except for just to wait. So that's what I'm looking at. So same thing how we caught all these other trades here. So like, let's see. Empty space. How we caught these today. And yeah, I get it. It may just look like some whatever charts, but you can see what some of the other members did just today off of that Walmart entry. You can also see more plays, what we ended up doing there. And yeah, if they hit, they hit. If they did it, that's fine. And today was, it was a great day. I can't even lie. So great day for the members and I for sure. So a play like this, same thing here. We do have the empty space. We have exactly what we want. There's just not anything that I'm seeing just because we're in more consolidation. So I do want to get that nice break. That's what I'm looking at there. So that is on Tesla. So let's keep on going. So Tesla PLTR, we did that. We're waiting, or at least I'm waiting for that 4-hour candle closure. We do have more empty space here, but yeah, I do like that 4-hour. That's what I'm seeing. All right, so yeah, let's keep on hunting for some more entries. Let's take a look here. I want to take a look at IBM, and I want to look at a few more earnings plays too as well. So today, beautiful trades, textbook entries, textbook take profits. You can also see the other members there went super light, but yeah, ended up doing very amazing there. So yeah, Each trade is exactly the same. Shout out to the ladies as well. You can see, I think Fabi was at work while this happened. So yeah, shout out to the members. Also, on that Walmart play, this is what we had. So yeah, it looks really, really good. So yeah, all these other trades exactly the same. We don't change anything at all. So I get it. Yeah, I go over 1,000 stocks, 1,000 trades, but today it was beautiful. You can see how we called out the setups, end of day swing. So yes, last hour of the day. This is what I'm looking at. This is what I'm looking for. And if we can get those entries, this is what I'm looking at. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's see, POTR. I get it. Yes, we do have that 4 hour, which I will wait for. If I wanted to, this could be another box. So we're basically trading from one box to the next box. Yeah, this is the area of consolidation, or this is the area of consolidation that needs to break. What does PLTR look like to the downside? Actually, yeah, let's look. So yeah, personally, I will wait for that upside here on that 4 hour. To the downside, if I were going to try it, this is what I see, and looks really good. I will say, looks actually pretty decent. Let's see here. Nice top wall there, nice bottom wall here. So I will say, yeah, we do have some more empty space under us. So I know that what today was a crazy day for us. I know for the members, pretty chill day. We got into the swings, ended up taking profits. Now waiting for some more swings in the day too as well. Now what I'm looking at is this. We do have empty space under us. We get a break under there. Down to this red candle is what I'm seeing, that 143. So entry to exit, middle of the move, we have exactly what we want, which is this empty space here. It looks really, really good. So I get it. Where are we at currently? We are currently at this, what, 155 area. So this is not something I'll worry about right now, since both ways we're in consolidation. But yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Yo, Miss Green, what's up? So what, CRM? Yeah, no worries. Cool, cool, cool. Oh, actually, maybe I should keep that. So let's see. I'm pretty sure this is on a weekly chart, if I'm not mistaken. All right, yeah, so weekly chart, this is what I see here. So I still like it. I still feel the same way about it. All that I'm looking at here now is this. So let's see. Yo, Pluto trade, yeah, I got you, bro. No worries. Hopefully y'all can see that now. So yeah, we do have the empty space here. So this clear gap up of no consolidation. This is what I would like to take to the downside. This weekly chart. So yeah, we do have a nice POTTERBOX. So basically an area of consolidation that needs to be broken in order for us to target into this downside here. And as you can see, for me at least, we're still inside of this box. So I would like that 230.12 area to be taken out. So go there. Obviously, maybe on a 1 hour chart, this is what I'm seeing here. So let's just say this is kind of taking a while. We could also go down to this 1 hour, and then let's see. So I will say, yeah, we ended up. Oh, let's see. So I will say, it looks like we ended up getting that nice break above our top level, our top wall. If we end up continuing, we still have this empty space above us. So yes, clear gap up. We get this break. We'd like to see if we can go into that empty space. So yeah, beautiful. Doesn't look too bad. All right, so that was on CRM. Yeah, we'll keep on going. Marvel actually doesn't look terrible. I have to check those cons. I don't know what those contracts look like though. We'll have to see. So IBM, we ended up, dang, yeah, IBM went crazy. Well, IBM went actually wild. So yeah, empty space. Ended up breaking above there. Yeah, I ended up missing that one. All right, so IWM. I want to look at SPY too as well. A couple other trades that I'm looking for. And yeah, we shall see how everything plays out. So, as of right now, let's see. Hold on, I don't know. Is my live stream paused? I'm not sure if my live stream is paused or not. Hopefully it's not. Alright, so for SPY, let's go over this. Let's take a look here. Obviously, yeah, SPY had another crazy move. I'll be honest, I didn't even get into this one. We had a couple other trades, and, you know, they went well. Obviously, it was much of a very easy day for the team members and I. So yeah, these are the type of trades we're looking for. Very low risk. But yeah, I will say for SPY, yeah, we did have this empty space here. So, clear gap down, no consolidation. If we do end up continuing, so my final target was already hit. But I will say, hold on, let's see. We do have this. So, there is nice top wall there, nice bottom wall here. We somehow can get this nice break above. That empty space is, you know, currently above us. So, also that looks really good. So that is on SPY on this 30-minute chart here. So, 30-minute charts, empty space there. Looks really good. QQ actually did it. Let me see. Yeah, okay, the Qs actually did hit that. What? That 574. I feel like almost every stock that we traded today hit. I think only SOFI gave me some trouble. But yeah, that one ended up going up. Obviously, it was playing around. It did play around for a very long time. Maybe I should send this to the member. Let's see. Hold on. Let's see. 574.20. So what? 13 cents away, or about 13 cents away from that final TP. Hold on, I do have to send this in the chat just in case if anyone did get in onto that. All right, cool. He said waiting for the tap and then selling. So yeah, I mean it looks decent. I mean, as you can see, this is something that another trade we were waiting for. But yeah, that's pretty much it. CRM looks really good though. So what, 19 cents left? Obviously, yeah, only runners for sure. What I can see next on it, so let's take a look here. Let's take a look. So maybe on a 24-hour, maybe a 30-minute chart, what I'm seeing here is some more empty space. So it doesn't look bad. Actually looks really good. Hold on. Hold on 1 second here. 1 second. I have to restart my live stream. One second here, guys. 1 second here. I gotta fix the stream. 1 second. 1 second. Hold on 1 second, 1 second. Fixing the stream here. Hold on, we should be back on. 1 second here, 1 second here. Yo, Skylar, what's up, what's up? Yo, thanks for pulling up to the other live stream, really appreciate it. Alright, yeah, got the stream back up. We should be back on. Alright, yeah, we should be back on. Let's see how everything's going to play out here. And also, I'm going to tell the team members we're back on live. Alright, cool, cool, cool. Yeah, we're back. So yeah, let's look up for some more trades. What I'm looking at, end of day. Some swings, at least. So yeah, let's keep on going here. Let's see, let's see. So, I think we were just going over the Qs here. So yeah, QQQ, we did end up having, this nice break above. I will say, yeah, this one ended up taking its beautiful time. But yeah, we did have this nice move down of no consolidation. We ended up getting that nice break above. We retested 1,000 times. But yeah, we finished into that first final TP almost there. But yeah, 574.20 would be my last target on that. So yeah, let's keep on going. I do want to see, so Tesla, we're going to go back over pretty much everything. So yeah, good to see you guys and gals. So yeah, beautiful day, great day. Crazy day in the Discord. So you can see, shout out to the members, what happened today. You can see it pretty much in my Discord. The call outs we ended up having, the trades that the members ended up getting in, and yeah, pretty wild. Yo, Leah, what's up? What's up? Yeah, so I had to restart it. So yeah, we're back on. So yeah, Tesla, same thing. Honestly, I wanted a small move here. It did give us an entry, but I didn't end up taking it, which is perfectly fine. What I can see here, though, is this. Yo, Jake, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. Shout out to Jake for pulling up to the live stream. Really appreciate it. So yeah, what looks good to me now is this. We do have this empty space, so what? Clear push up, no consolidation there. And this is what I would want to this downside. Hopefully not today. Hopefully by tomorrow we can get it. Do want some sort of gap down so we can potentially fill into this empty space below us. That's what I'm seeing there. So same thing like all of our trades. How we were able to catch this type of trade there. This type of trade there. So very simple. Empty space. We have exactly what we need, exactly what we want. We have a nice POTTERBOX that needs to be broken. We end up getting that nice break. We go into the empty space, and yeah, it was a beautiful day. It was crazy day. Also see what one member said there today. Wow. So that was one trade just by yesterday, last hour of the day. We ended up swinging that. So we'll see how everything plays out. So what? Fritz, what's up, man? So TTD and Netflix. Okay, cool. Yeah, it looks like Tesla, I mean not Tesla, but the Qs may end up finally hitting that. What, 15 cents away from that final TP. Will we hit it, guys and gals? We'll have to see. Alright, now let's keep going here. Let's see. Alright, yeah, we're like literally 10 cents away. 13 cents. Yeah, I think we'll end up getting it regardless. But yeah, you can see another call out. Obviously, yeah, today I will say for me was more of a chill day for sure. Like, you could see all these other plays that we end up getting into. If they end up hitting, that's fine. If they don't, we get stopped out. But today was not that day. You can see AEO, what one member did there. Shout out to the ladies as well. Shout out to Fabi. Another great entry, another great trade. So, yes. Shout out WMT. So, shout out to Walmart. I might have to go to Walmart today. You can see what we did there. So, yeah, it was wild. All right, yeah, Q's. Yeah, I think we'll hit it. We were like, what, 5 cents away? 4 cents. All right. So, yeah, we tapped it. We tapped it. Okay. All right, hold on. I got to send some members just in case if some pretty much are in. Not sure if anyone sent that, but 1 second here. 1 second here. So yeah, that ended up taking its sweet time for sure. I will say. I mean, I will say right here, this is where price could end up selling off. So if we end up selling off here, this is the place to go. I would expect some sort of pullback here. Yo, one of the members, let's go, let's go. Yo, shout out to Linda. I did, thank you. Whoa, let's go, let's go. So yeah, you know, easy, simple trades. Yeah, let's go. And that wasn't even... So shout out to Linda. Shout out to all the other members. You can see what we did here, what we're waiting for, what we're looking for. These same exact trades. Same exact trades. Obviously, that ended up hitting that final. Yeah, crazy. So yeah, we called up all these trades inside of our Discord. Literally told the members just literally right now. If in, make sure to take your money. One of the members ended up in the VIP chat here. Claiming some money there. And yeah, obviously, you can see what else we did here. I get it. I know I've been yapping about it the whole entire day, but, and I know I seem like very nonchalant about it, but when we hit the targets, that's what I'm looking for. This is the type of trades that I'm looking for. So Walmart, you can see we ended up having that. We ended up having a lot of other different types of trades. And yes, I will turn that back on, so it's cool, it's fine. But we look for the same trade each day. And honestly, I will go over a couple more swings, what I'm looking for. Maybe I'll, you know, hold on 1 second. I gotta, all right, cool. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Dang, yeah, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful trades. Yo, Jetson, yo, thanks for the follows. He said my calls would have been great if I didn't. So yeah, I will say, yeah, it ended up doing its thing. Straight green candles, but we were toying around pretty much the whole entire time. Bro, RVN was fire too. So yeah, let's go over that too. So RVN, yo, Limbs, thanks for the follow. And yes, if you do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. So what's that? And also, yeah, AMZN did pretty good. It actually gave 2 entries this morning. Yo, Foreign Market, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. Hey, buddy. All right, okay, cool, cool, cool. So let's see. So AMZN. So yeah, I will say, yeah, it ended up giving a nice entry. That first TP finally did hit, so the first time it didn't end up hitting, but a few of the members ended up getting into as well for this one. You can see, shout out to Fabi. You can see where we posted out a lot of our setups here in the morning. Hold on. So you can see that was Walmart there. We were looking for a lot of plays, and if the plays hit, cool. If the plays don't work, that's fine. You can see also where we called out the Qs. So you can see what that move there before the aftermath there. I know it chopped around a bit, but yeah, still ended up completing that final target. So, and yeah, I post pretty much all the setups, and you can see, told the members, and yeah, I post pretty much everything. And we have simple entries. If we get them, cool. If we don't, that's fine. But yeah, today was a great day. And now, personally, I'm going to wait for my swings. I'm not touching anything else. Only waiting for the swings. And you can see, shout out to Sonder, AEO, Beautiful trade. So I think like what? All of our trades hit except for SOFI. I think we had like what, 4, at least 4. So yeah, you can see all these entries just today. So we end up swinging them last hour, end of day. So yes, the last 30 minutes is when I'm getting into entries. You can see even yesterday, AEO, I called this out right before, you know, market ends up closing. See that before there. And yes, I still have to work on the video, but you can see the aftermath. We end up getting in on that AEO, on these other plays. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking at. And yeah, you can see not just her, not just him. We have the empty space. I'm taking that. So yeah, shout out to all the members. Good work. I know a lot of you guys and gals are in here right now. So yeah, it's been a wild day. It's been a crazy day. I've been pretty happy. It's been pretty chill. We get in, empty space. Cool, we get out. All right, so RAVN, yeah, I will say, yeah, I didn't get into this one. I swear though, I kid you not. Yeah, this one was a crazy setup here. I literally kid you not. I need to start playing RAVN, I will say. It's just because I play a lot of other stocks, and I was taking profits this morning, whatever. But I do remember charting this up this morning, or whenever I did. So yeah, we had this empty space, clear gap up, no consolidation. We had a nice POTTERBOX. We end up, yeah, this is like a perfect entry for me. So this is something like I would love. So let's just pretend we didn't see that drop. So yeah, we do have the empty space that is under us. We have a level, a wall that needs to be broken. You can see where these candles are having a hard time getting under. Body candle, another body candle there. So what I'm looking for is if we can get a nice break under. I'm looking for, so a break and candle body closure. We did it on a 30-minute. I would like a 30-minute. Not gonna lie, we closed under it perfectly into the empty space. Yeah, we ended up just dumping. So this is the type of moves that I want. These are the type of moves that are very simple to me, and I know it looks simple. Oh, we have a box. We're gonna break out the box. We end up getting the break outside of it. We can use, you know, the box stop loss. Under we have the empty space. So same thing for the upside. So WMT, clear move down, no consolidation. We do have to wait for that break outside of this POTTERBOX, or you can take it from the floor. We end up going into that empty space there. So, and this is the outcome. One of the members, let's freaking go, Walmart. So just today, this is what he did on his account. Obviously, yeah, there's, you know, plays that work, plays that don't work. But you can see Leah, let's go over 200%. More members there. Walmart. So yeah, we wait for those trades so we get in. Shout out to Sandra. Hey, you went crazy today. She did too as well. So yeah, we just wait for those entries. I will be honest, I should have taken this one, but it's fine. You can see the other plays we ended up having. Lawnmower, dude, Lawnmower, bro, you've been going wild. I think you actually got in a little bit earlier than me too as well. So I'm gonna leak it. I'm gonna leak it for you, bro. I'm sorry. You don't post your games. You post them in the VIP chat, which is fine. But this is Linda. Shout out to her. But where's Lawnmower at? Let's see. He's somewhere in here. Oh no, let's see. He's somewhere in here. Let's see. All right, yeah, I got you, bro. We caught you red-handed. So yeah, shout out Lawnmower. He did great. He did great. So he's definitely one of the OGs. You can see all the members being happy and yeah, things of that sort. So yeah, he said I'll post it right now. No, you're good, bro. You don't gotta post it. But yeah, yeah. Shout out to all the members. Shout out to the team. It was a great day. So now, you know, personally, I'm gonna look for just some more swing trades. We had a great day. And yes, this is when I post my swings. Literally the last hour, the last sometimes the last 5-10 minutes. So there we go. There we go. Here's some gains for you. Shout out Lawnmower, bro. Really appreciate it tuning back in, bro. Yo, what's up? What's up? In the other live chat. Don't know how to say your name, but welcome in to live chat here. All right, so yeah, we'll keep on going. We'll see how everything plays out. TTD. Okay. And yes, if you do want to join the Discord, you can join the free chat. Honestly, just join the free chat. Talk to the members, see how you like it. Link is in the bio for that. But yeah, you can see all the... There you go. He finally posted the Walmart one. So yeah, this is the trade that... Beautiful trade. Beautiful entry. So yeah, you know, these don't look too bad. So, had a few swings. I think only SOFI didn't want to work out, but I don't care. If one trade doesn't work out, you can see why I don't give a crap, because if I catch one, all I need, I will be honest, all I need is just one trade for me to be, you know, set for, you know, a couple days, you know, the week, whatever. We caught like 2 to 3 of them today. So yeah, it's been a wild day, and yes, you can see the same setups before, the after, before. This is obviously when we posted before, and then yes, we get the entries and after. So you can see how we call out setups there. Gave the contracts that I liked. You can see also Walmart. This was yesterday. So yeah, that's how I call out setups. Obviously not just yesterday, so I get it. What did you do yesterday? What did you do the day before? Yesterday we had the Qs. Nice little day trade on the Qs. Tesla though was my baby though. But yeah, you can also see more members, what they end up doing. And yeah, we just wait. Obviously, if there's a chop day, like, you know, the markets aren't really moving, then yeah, I will be honest, I won't get in. I'm just gonna chill out, or maybe find maybe a lotto entry for sure. All right, so now let's keep on going. So TTD. Dang, that's beautiful. All right, yeah, I will be honest. That looks good. It still looks good. It's just not trying to get out this box. So I've been waiting for this to get a nice break above so we can potentially go into this empty space here. We've been, or at least I've been waiting for a long time on it. So yeah, sellers took control a lot of times. So yeah, if we can, I would, personally for me, I won't try a starter. I do want to see some nice body count closure above this wall here. That's what I'm seeing. Maybe I should have took some puts at seller's control, but it's cool, it's great. But yeah, if we can, yeah, it looks great. Over that 55.34 is what I'm waiting for. Downside, I get it. We could continue to drop more, but I don't care. If it's in this box, if it's in the consolidation, you can even ask the members. I don't care about it. I'm just going to go relax and go chill until I see my setups, until we have the setups. If we, you know, if the setups aren't ready, if we're in the boxes, obviously I could take them at call spaces or be a floor. But I'm waiting for those valid entries, and once we can get those clear breaks, we broke outside of our wall, we do have that empty space which is above us. So that's all that I'm looking for. And you can see we make it pretty easy. Once we have the entries, that's when I'm getting it. So yes, empty space, clear move down. We're waiting for those breaks. We end up getting them. It was crazy. Yo, Charlie, thanks for sharing the live stream. Yo, Rug, what's up, man? Yeah, today was a beautiful day, man. I can't even complain. I would have been happy if just Walmart ended up hitting. But AEO ended up hitting too as well. A couple of day trades did great. You know, it's also, you know, amazing seeing, you know, the members catching these crazy gains too. And yeah, Rug Reality is one of the mods inside the Discord, so make sure to show him some love too. So yeah, personally, yeah, I took it a little easy. Yeah, relaxed day. Do want to see how the end of day swings will go. All right, so yeah, let's keep on going here. TTD, we did that. AEO, wow, it's still trying to go there. let me look. I had something, has a couple written down. Yo, Queese, dude, yeah, it was a great day. I can't complain. All right, so I will say I do like Marvel though. So I mean, I'll just be honest. I don't. We might get it today. Who knows how the last hour will go. Empty space. If we can get over that 64 break, that's what I like. How do I know how much I'm risking per trade? I don't know how to read contracts and stuff. Is there a way? So yeah, the contracts basically tell you pretty much everything, and you know, there's brokers with like simulated returns, things of that sort. Yeah, but just make sure, just to do your own research, of course. But how I personally get contracts is just by my target. So for example, let's just say, I'm sorry, we'll go to this spy trade. So let me go ahead and get rid of this. Hold on, let's see. So I get it, looks confusing, but don't let these boxes fool you. So let's just pretend none of this happened to this upside. What I see first is this empty space. So I know what I'm targeting. So I want this full move. Actually, let's do this on a 1 hour. So hold on. So yeah, 1 hour chart. We have the empty space. That's what I'm targeting, what I circled. Once we break above my wall, I have my target set. So my final target will be this 647. My first target will be this 646. And wow, it's still going, which is the crazy part about it. But so let's just say if we were at that 645 area, maybe I grab some contracts close to my first TP. So those would be what? Some 646s, whatever. And then maybe I grab some contracts to that final. Maybe if I want to grab some 648s, maybe I definitely could, depending on what they look like. That's pretty much how I do those things. So if it's a day trade too as well, I do want a little bit more volume and open interest. So there's actually, on the broker, there's actually like maybe I can make a video about it, but there is like a simulated return that you can see how much it can go if it does hit. But yeah, also really just depends on the play as well. So some plays, I get it, all empty space looks the same. Like, empty space look the same. But there's some plays that, so if I was on a 1 minute chart, let's say if I was on a little 1 minute chart here, and yeah, we have a little empty space play, I'll definitely be making a lot less. That's for sure. So yeah, the higher time frame is going to be able to get me a little bit more gains. Dang, that is still moving. Hold on, give me a second, guys. I don't think I'll take it though. I definitely won't take it. I'm done. I'm done for the day. So yeah, I'll definitely make some videos. I actually have a couple videos that my media guy is currently working on. So we've been working on a lot of new content and things of that sort for the trading Discord. Not OF, so nothing like that. All right, so yo, thanks for sharing the live stream. Really appreciate it. All right, so yeah, basically to go over it, yes, we go by target-based contract. So let's just say Marvel's, and no, I haven't checked the contracts on these yet, so I don't know what they look like, but same thing. We have the empty space here. My first target is 70, 43 area. My next target is 76 area. So maybe I grab contracts near this first target, which would be the 70 area. Maybe I grab some close to that final, maybe some 74s. Obviously, I don't know. I don't know what the contracts look like. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get into any trades, any entries. So yes, you all have to do your own research. That's just how I do it, pretty much. Is this for today? It could be if we close above that 64 area, but if we don't, then I definitely won't get him. So yeah, we're still inside this Potter box. So like I said, you know, to my other members, just relax. If we're inside the box, we don't have to take the trade. Just chill the F out. But if we can get those entries, if we can get those clear breaks, especially if it's on a higher time frame, we can get those entries. And you can see, you know, the members ended up staying patient, which allowed them to do those crazy things here. So yeah, each trade is exactly the same. We don't change literally anything at all. All right, so yeah, we'll keep on going. All right, yeah, give me 1 second, guys. I'm going to get me some more water. So yes, 1 second here. If you do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. We have the free chat, also the VIP chat as well. So yeah, if you don't want to join, you don't have to though. But yeah, give me 1 second. I'll be right back here. Yo, guys, I'm back. All right, so, we are here. Looks like Spy may end up trying to that final TP as well. Hold on. And no, I'm not. I'll be honest, I'm not in this though. So, I'm personally just gonna wait for my end of day swings. Yeah, this would have been great though, but I just don't want to overtrade right now. What's the area for? So. Yeah, we just tapped that first TP, that imbalance area. So that first target did end up hitting there too. If we do, you know, continue, I would love to see that 648, which looks good. So yeah, this imbalance area is where price can potentially end up rejecting. So this is where we take most of our, you know, profit. So same thing with Walmart. And obviously, yeah, I wish I would have held my full TP. Yeah, there was a lot more, but still, we hit that first TP. Once we hit that first TP, this is when we get out most of our trade, our entry, and you can see that higher time frame. What I'm looking for. So it was a beautiful trade, beautiful entries there. Easy day, nice swings, and yeah, if one swing doesn't work out, we look for the next. We look for those same entries there. You taking anything today? Yeah, I'm definitely gonna take something today. So honestly, so I did like Marvel. I don't know if we'll get that, but and honestly, yeah, you don't even have to join the VIP if you don't want to. You can always be the free chat. If you do plan on joining, yeah, you definitely can too. So yeah, gap looks good in the day too as well. So if we can still continue, yeah, that empty space, the upside looks great. That empty space there. All right, so Google, dang, Google is still running. Hold on, Google. Let's take a look here. Yo, Marco, what's up? What's up? What am I getting ready for? Oh, get Cindy. Oh, I thought that said get ready. My bad, I can't read right now. Okay, yeah. I still like this a lot, but we still are inside of more consolidation. At least on this, let's see. So we'll go to this 1 hour possibly. So yeah, I get it. Yes, we've been curling our way up. That's no doubt about it. But what I'm waiting for, and I'll still wait for this gladly, I really wouldn't care. But yeah, what I'm seeing is right under us, we do have this empty space. So if we can break under this 223 area, we do have this empty space under us. So right now, am I going to do anything? Absolutely not. I'm just going to wait, see if we can get that entry. Doesn't look too bad there. So that is on Google. Alright, so yeah, we'll keep going. We did TTD, right? So we did TTD. Also, yo, Queese, what's up, bro? Yeah, Beam, yeah, cool. And IBM, yeah, gotcha, bro. IBM, let's see. So Beam. So yeah, it looks like something hit. Okay, oh yeah, we punched back into this wall. We went to this empty space here. I'll be honest, no, I didn't get into this one. Yeah, that would have been a nice little play though. But no, I will be honest, I didn't get in. But let's just get rid of that and let's look at something new. Maybe we can go to a weekly chart here. So yeah, if I want to chart something, start on the weekly, then go down. I will say, yeah, we do have empty space here, which looks good. This is something that I would like to this upside here. I will say, nice top wall there, nice bottom wall. What I am personally looking at is, hold on one second here. Dude, hold on. Yeah, the whole it's crazy. You should go look at my gains page today. Go look at the members' gains today. It's wild. They just keep adding it. I didn't even know some of them even got in, which is the crazy part. So yeah, we could start from this morning. I know I've been yapping about it all day, but started from what, 9 a.m. Let's freaking go. So that Walmart call out. Shout out to Danny as well. You see the plays. Walmart. So yeah, maybe I love Walmart now. You can see more entries, same things, same trades, different members. And yes, we're looking for that higher time frame. We're not, shout out to Ty for BABA. But yes, same trades each day. See AEO, that other trade that we ended up having, what we did there. So shout out to the ladies as well, inside the Discord. So I didn't get a chance to post the other stocks as well, but you see what we looked for. 600%. So shout out to Lawmore. Shout out to all the other members here. So yeah, those are from the end of day swing. So that's what I'm looking at. ABSI. Hold on. Oh, actually, we got to go over IBM. So IBM, and then we'll go over ABSI. All right, cool. I didn't forget you. I didn't forget. So IBM, I will say, yo, Fritz, what's up, man? Yeah, I got you with the AMAT. No worries, no worries. So yeah, you know, we had the empty space here. I'll be honest, I didn't get in. I was in a couple other ones, but yeah, we ended up punching back, breaking above this top wall, this top level, going to the empty space. If we do want to finish this move, and that's if, I do want to see that 250 area. So that 215.14 would be my final stoppage point. How do I see it on the daily or the weekly? Okay, cool. So that was on a little 1 hour. On the, hold on. Actually, there might be something here. Hold on, give me a second here. Okay. I will be completely honest. Yes, we do have. So there is a nice little pocket here. I get it, nothing wild, nothing crazy, but could see that 251. What I'm looking at. So a little gap there. Also, we do have another pocket there. So not the craziest box, but yes, right above us, there is still this empty space. That doesn't look bad. So yeah, right now, where are we at currently? Looks like we're, you know, heading towards that empty space, that's for sure. But yeah, that's just what I'm seeing, which doesn't look too bad. Yo, CJ, thanks for the follow. We appreciate it. All right, so that was on IBM. So we did Beam. We got to go over AMAT. Got you, Fritz. ABSI. Let's see. Okay. All right, yeah, what I can see here. So yeah, how to break it down on the weekly chart here. So yeah, we have the empty space, which looks good. This is exactly what I like, exactly what I want. Yeah. Oh yeah, that looks good. So that is a nice top wall, nice bottom wall here. So as you can see, yes, we do have empty space. So there is a clear gap down. This is what I'm targeting to this upside, and I'm looking for a nice break and body candle closure above this level. Personally, I would try it up to here, so that 470. So that's on a weekly chart. Entry, exit, middle of the move. We have exactly what we want. Or at least I do. So yeah, right now, yes, we are still inside of this. My bad. We're still inside that POTTERBOX there. Where are we at? So ABSI. So I'm looking for a nice break outside of this wall. So same thing like all of our trades. And yeah, that's on the weekly chart. So I would have to look at those contracts. I don't know what they look like. But yeah, how we were able to get this on WMT. How we were able to get this. Same thing. So it looks pretty much similar. Hold on. But just on a different time frame, clear gap down there. We do have that empty space that needs to be broken. We get that break. I want to see something like this. But yeah, we're just not ready yet. So we're still inside that box. So we're inside that POTTERBOX, this area of consolidation. No trade at all. All right, yeah, we'll keep on going. All right, so let's see. So RVN, AMAT. All right, so I think we did this on a. Let's go ahead and remove it. I think we did this on a 4-hour. 4-hour, or was it a 24-hour? Honestly, it doesn't look terrible. So what I can see here is this. So yeah, as of right now, we do have this empty space set, which is above us. So yeah, what? Clear gap down, no consolidation. This is what I would like to the upside. As you can see, nice top wall there, nice bottom wall here. Oh yeah, that actually doesn't look terrible. If we can get this nice break, I do want to see if we can go into this empty space here. Maybe up to this 189.28. So yeah, it doesn't look bad. We do have exactly what I want, which is that little nice move there. So we shall see how that plays out from that little area. So yeah, that is on AMAT. So yeah, we'll have to see how, you know, everything plays out for today. Looking for a couple swings as well. When I click on sell market, it shows units. Is honestly, bro, what broker are you using? Just let me know. And yeah, honestly, yeah, just send if you know, you can ask questions inside the Discord too, so you can drop it in the free chat and we'll help you out. Just make sure to do your own research before doing anything. But yes, guys and gals, I will be getting off now. Have a lot of work to do inside of the VIP Discord. So yeah, if you do want to join up, the free chat is there. Honestly, just join the free chat, see how you like it. We have the VIP chat as well. But yeah, if you don't want to join, no worries. Have a blessed one, guys. I'll be inside the Discord with the swing trades. Thank you all so much. Have a blessed one, guys, in Jesus' name.